on the car. Whoa, leave me alone.
You don't leave me yet.
No. Well, let me tell you. You remember the post that I posted 2 days ago on Saturday the 11th. Tiger. Let me show you his upside down. This kid. He got a post like. I think I told you the page. But you guys want to like and if you want to be a huge fan of us, you should subscribe there. Like that. Smash that subscribe button. Like I'm gonna smash you right now. Like I'm gonna give you a. No, wait. I'm gonna give you these sunglasses if you subscribe to my. Look in my. I'm with him. Well, I'll upload a new video on next month. No, on the next following Saturday. No, what about next month? Sunday. Because Sunday's gonna look creepy. So on the 19th of October 2025, I'll upload a new video with me with another video about with Amu and him again. Well, if you want this subscribe these subscribers I will create it. Just go to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel and his channel as well to get these beautiful sunglasses. And it comes with an amazing spray as well. It's like Ronaldo's perfume and spray at the head. It smells so good. Because and if you want a sign a paper of my own Pepsi, just like subscribe and you get this and this as well. Look, we'll make another video right now because I'm gonna show you how to draw a realistic pepperoni like pizza. No. And well, if you want something beautiful, something cake inside here. Hey, what's here? And it's just one. These are created by us. Which way we don't create that in our channel. I'll give you the amazing. We have created over 1,000 of these sunglasses. If you want one, we need 1,000 subscribers, and we'll send out 1,000 of these. And if you subscribe to him to get these, we created these too. If you just subscribe to 2 of us, you get these sunglasses. One of these sunglasses. These are forever. You can use them for go to my shop right now. I'll send a message to my YouTube channel and I'll try to connect it together. And this took like about 2 months to create and so if we get 1,000 we will rate all of them and give all of them to our subscribers. You can get golden PS5. Well, we have a green. Oh, we have a golden PS5. inside 2 boxes, which is 5,000 each. We'll give you one for each. For free. For free if you subscribe to it. Look, this is the fire. This is the fire. You can use them for when you go to a vacation. Look, can I have something I can show you something? Like you should not like that. Look like this. Open up. Like you can use so you can put this like this over there up to the back. Yo, wow. Like it's great. Like I have at school. I discovered this. And then so many people that subscribe to my channel. So we gave away 100. No, we gave away 50,000. No, it was. I just kidding. 1,000. We just gave away 5,000 of them. I mean 1,000. And then we decided to keep them 1,000. We decided to create another 1,000. So, and if you want this entire room, I need 50 million subscribers. No, 20 million. 20 million. Because that diamond. And if you give it, and when you get past Mr. Beast, like we need the red one in the middle. Because we have to be rich. We are broke. No, we're not broke. We are rich. You have an alley that's blue and that's ginormous. Your dad has very cold. No, for one of the big ones. Yeah, that one. And then just and then we have an amazing GTI equity like that goes 7. And when you if you give me 1,000 million subscribers, that will get past Mr. Beast. I can give you my dad's new gun. Jordan 4s I have at home for you guys. And we'll give you a PlayStation.